What's up, people? The first question I wanna answer: is it possible to be an actor? Well, I'm gonna tell you something. According to my research, an acting class costs around $500 to 600, I think. But yeah, it's looking crazy. But I just got an idea. I'm turning 17 this year, and yeah, my plan is to work for my brother. Like, he has his own business, to make some money and go for an acting class when I turn like 19 or something, because to be an actor is literally my biggest dream. Yeah, I live in South Africa, and the closest acting class is in a town close to my town or in Joburg. Yeah, or I can take it to the next level to go in an overseas and yeah, go for an acting class. But yeah, I'm just like waiting for the right time to like get an ID, open my ID for myself, and yeah, make some money. Well, everybody's like, Rian, how do you get money using your ID? Well, pretty simple. You need an ID to open your bank account. That is like easy, to be honest, because yeah. And my goal is to be a successful actor by the age of 20, early 20. Yeah, it's my biggest dream, to be honest. If you guys find everything like very, very difficult, just make it easy. Like, come on. It's literally very easy, but it takes a lot of hard work and hard time. So, yeah. And I need to think of a plan for my future already. And yeah, money is the goal to be an actor. Guys, I don't want to be an actor because of fame. I want to be an actor just to be like see myself in movies. This is like literally my dream. And yeah. So yeah, the last thing you should do, the first thing you should do is hit that like and subscribe button, and hit that like button to support the channel. Yeah, I just created the channel yesterday to show y'all I want to be an actor. So it's been Ryan. See y'all in the next video, or give y'all an update when I like give you that actor update when I like get great news or something. Because yeah, first thing first is to get money, and yeah, might it I might make money this year or next year, but yeah, let's hope let's just hope it's this year, okay? So hit that like and subscribe button. I see you guys in the next update.